Hello everyone. Let's face it. Nobody reads anymore. They skim, they scroll, they swipe, and if you don't grab attention in seconds, you are almost invisible to them. So the real question is, how do you do PR in a world where attention lasts just 3 seconds? Because traditional PR was built for long form thinking, but today the things have changed. We are competing with notifications. Let's break it down. The attention reality is something which also comes from the fact that we don't live in an information economy anymore. We live in an attention economy. Journalists are overwhelmed, audiences distracted, founders are posting non-stop. So attention has become the bottleneck. And PR isn't about getting coverage anymore. It's about earning micro moments of focus. If you can't hold attention, you can't build authority. The first shift that we are going to talk about here is from long to sharp change in the pitch format. The old PR mindset was let me explain everything, and the new PR mindset is let me hook you first. Before anyone reads your story, before they click your feature, before they open your email, they decide in seconds whether you are worth it. That means strong subject lines, clear positioning, sharp angles, and minimum fluff is what is selling right now. And clarity is of utmost importance because clarity is currency. If it takes effort to understand you and your pitches, you are losing. The second shift is about something that is transformed from information to insight. There's too much information. What cuts through is insight. Instead of we launched a new product, try to say something like why 60% of product launches fail and how we avoided it. Instead of we help founders scale, try something like the hidden mistake early stage founders make when raising capital. The difference you see here is the difference in attention as well. The attention responds to tension and not description. The third shift is from visibility to memorability. You don't need more impressions, you need to be remembered. Short attention spans don't mean people don't care. It means you have to create emotional imprint. Strong opinions, clear perspectives, distinct positioning is something that we can use to create emotional imprint, as I said earlier. Safe brands get scrolled past. Sharp brands get saved. You have to make a choice what category you want to fall in. The fourth shift is that media is now multi-format. PR is not no longer just about articles. It's about podcast clips, LinkedIn carousels, short form videos, screenshot of quotes, micro thought leadership. One media win should turn into 10 content assets because repetition builds recall and recall builds authority. If you get featured once and never repurpose it, you wasted half the opportunity. The fifth shift is always that speed wins. Attention rewards speed. News moves fast, trends move fast, conversations move fast. If you wait 3 days to comment on a breaking news, you are already late. In today's PR landscape, being fast often beats being perfect. You need to remember that timely insight is always more valuable than perfectly crafted pitch, in some sense. So, what actually works? In the age of short attention spans, your PR must be clear, specific, timely, opinionated, repeatable. If it's vague, it's gonna disappear. If it's generic, it's gonna blend in. And if it's slow, it's forgotten. Short attention spans are not a disadvantage, they are a filter. If your positioning is sharp, you win faster. If your message is strong, it spreads quicker. If your ideas are bold, they travel further. Attention doesn't last long, but impact always does. PR today is not about being everywhere, It's about being unforgettable quickly. So don't ask, how do I get more coverage? Ask, how do I earn attention instantly and convert it into authority? Because in this era, the brands that master attention are the ones that own the narrative. With that being said, drop the comments or questions or any feedback that you have regarding this video or any questions you have in mind in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.